I've got a helmet on. I'm strapped in. I pooped this morning.
That's not bad.
So this is David.
Glad to hear that.
He's my pilot.
You pooped this morning.
Yeah, and he's glad that I pooped this morning.
What's your name?
I'm Andy.
Andy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. First time, right?
First time.
Okay, so we're gonna stay standing on the takeoff.
Okay.
Please don't sit. Please don't jump.
Okay.
You can sit when I tell you sit. That's when we are flying.
Okay.
We're gonna be facing towards the ocean. We're gonna walk. We're gonna run forward to the ocean, and probably we're gonna walk backwards too. Okay?
Okay.
But facing to the ocean.
Facing to the ocean.
Come over here next
And
to me.
I'm strapped in.
Yep. I'm gonna do a double check.
You want me on this
side?
side?
Yep.
It's a cliff.
So if I say walk or run, it's gonna be that way. Okay?
Okay.
When I bring the glider is gonna pull us, so we're gonna walk backwards.
Okay. Yeah.
Facing to the ocean. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Double
All right.
check before lunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's that easy.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna get pulled back and then forward. Okay. Oh man, we got a good wind right now.
Yep. We have good wind now. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna walk slowly forward and then backward.
Okay.
Walk slowly, slowly. Ready to backward. Backward.
Stay standing.
Nice. We're gonna run.
All right,
Running.
ready?
Yeah, running. Yeah. Back.
Oh man.
Put your hands over here.
Yep. Hands around here.
Leaning forward a little bit.
Leaning forward.
Forward.
I'm gonna settle in.
Yes.
Oh man.
Welcome.
I'm literally flying.
You're flying already.
Woo!
We're gonna look for some height. Let's see. What is the wind?
Oh man, it's so smooth.
How are you?
I'm good.
Look at the hawk. Look at the hawk.
Oh yeah, there's a hawk. Flying with the hawks.
Yeah, it's hot. Amazing. Look at
Wow. Oh, they think we're one of them.
that. Yeah. Turn to the left here too.
Oh man. That's incredible. Woo!
Okay, hold the camera good. We're gonna do a couple tricks now, okay?
Okay, a couple tricks. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Yeah! Oh man! Oh! Oh! Oh man! That's intense. Oh!
We're gonna land here, okay?
Okay. Oh man. Oh, poor Sterling still has to wait to fly.
It's so nice. Straight from the camera.
Oh man, those tricks. So they're taking off from down here now?
Yeah, they are beginners.
Oh.
Why they're like kind of waiting.
Yeah. Wow, what a ride.
Yeah. And look at them, look like they're trying to land on the beach. Kind of light.
Oh, this is somebody just out and okay. Do I want my hands out or in?
It's okay, no worries.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah. You can stand up.
Stand up. Oh. All right.
That's it. How was it?
Woo, that was awesome. Fantastic.
Nice.
Oh man, that was a treat.
Good flight. Welcome back.
That was a good flight.
Come back to the ground.
Yeah, my legs are shaking.
Shaking. Yeah.
That was really something. There he goes. Oh man, those tricks. I don't know, he called them tricks, right? The acrobatics, I'm like about to barf. I'm not kidding. I was like, if he was gonna do one more, I was gonna tell him, hey, you're gonna have to stop or I'm gonna throw up. Yeah, I don't know. That was wild. There's so much force with the updraft. It's just like, I couldn't stop my brain from thinking that the cables were all gonna snap and I was just gonna go flinging into the next galaxy. It just really felt powerful up there. The wind was perfect. I can't believe these guys do this every single day. I mean, you're flying and flying with the Hawks. The flying with the Hawks, that was unbelievable. Oh man, what a rush. I mean, worth the $200 if you ever have a chance, worth it. You know, just like YOLO, you know what I mean? Like, you gotta do that shit. Yeah, all right. Well, that was fun. Little different content for you, I guess. I think only my most diehard viewers will see that, but that was fun. Yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and back to the regular programming soon. I can't do that every day. Oh, man.